Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to learn how to write a Python code to display calendar. So first we are going to import calendar. So import calendar. And then we are going to set year and month. So our year will be 2023 and the month is set to 8. And now we are just going to display our calendar by using its calendar month method. So we are just gonna do print, and this will be calendar dot month. We are going to pass in here and month. That's pretty easy. We are just going to run now our code. And here you can see a pretty looking calendar. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.